Now a few queries might be raised in your mind. What is that patent expiry? So patent expiry is patent after 20 years it goes into public domain, that we call it as a patent is expired. What is invalidation of patent? Invalidation of patent is any patent if you have filed and if it is not if it is challenged and due to the evidences are produced by in the opposition and or some that in the process if it is it is proved that your patent is not valid, then obviously that patent will be invalidated, it will not be granted. So something like that if it is there, that is invalidation of patent. In brief I am explaining, we are not going into details of that, but just understand that if it is not a valid claim, then obviously the patent will be invalidated. Then process product patent, that we have already seen. Then what is a EPO? I have explained, that is a European Patent Office. Then what is the active patent? Active patent is patent because it is in what we can say that for patent you have to give a maintenance fee. So every year you have to give the maintenance fee. Unless until you give maintenance fee, your patent will not be active.